Clue Suspect card game, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to figure out who did it, with what, and where. Give each player a reminder card and a set of 15 case file cards as indicated by a matching symbol in the bottom right. Separate the orange evidence cards into location, weapon, and suspects. Then shuffle each group face down and, without looking, secretly put one card from each into the confidential envelope so no one can see them. Shuffle all the remaining evidence cards together, then deal them all out to all the players. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from others. Any extra cards are placed face up in the middle of the table. Based on your evidence cards in your hand and others you see throughout the game, players place the corresponding case file cards from their deck to a face down pile next to them. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, ask the player to your left one question about any 2 evidence cards. If that player has any of those cards, they must secretly show you one of them. If that player has none, then the next player to their left must show you one. Keep going until one player has shown you a card or until every player has been asked. Then your turn ends and the next player goes. On your turn, you may make an accusation to which 3 evidence cards you think are in the confidential envelope by placing the 3 corresponding case file cards face down. Ask if any other player wants to accuse. If any other player does, then all the other players must lay down their accusation cards too. If you are the only player accusing, then you secretly look at the cards in the confidential envelope. If your 3 cards match, then you win. Otherwise, place the cards back in the envelope and play continues, but your turn is skipped and you must still show evidence cards to other players. If everyone is accusing, then pick an order and each player, one by one, reveals their accusation and the first player to guess correctly wins. If no one guesses correctly, then you all lose.